Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Jyoti. I'm here today with a very new video. Uh, please don't mind. I'm looking a bit horrible क्योंकि बालों में ऑयल है and उसको भी न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए इसलिए तो कोई बात नहीं. तो if you're new here in the channel, please hit the red button, subscribe the channel, and at the end of the video, if you love it, please give a like. Okay? So आज मैं I have a plan to show my campus basically. I will give a campus tour, how beautiful it is and how big it is. I will make 3 to 4 parts of it. So I'm going to shoot for the part 1 today, and I will go for lunch in my food court, though I didn't show my food court in the previous video in a very good way. तो इस बार मैं पूरे अच्छे से दिखाऊंगी how is my food court and what's inside, how is the decoration and all. Then after that I will go to the town because there in the town there are boys hostel. I will go in that direction. Yeah, तो चलो वीडियो शुरू से पहले खाना पड़ेगा. So yeah, let's go to FC with me. So this is my food court. This is our food court 1 and it's so big. You can see it is a 2-story building. I used to call in a different name which I gave it after coming here, but now I'm going for lunch. So yeah, let's go inside. So I bought my food token here. You can see this is my food token. I don't know why it's not focusing. And there's the counter, and there's a complaint box. If you have any problem with your mesh cut and all, you can have there. And this is the punch machine, and there is the punch machine, and that is the upper building. Okay, and there's the staircase, and there's the back door even. So I'm sitting there, and this is the whole food court area. In that side, in the upper stair, there are few food stalls. Now they are closed as there are much not students. They had Chinese, South Indian food, and there are so many foods there. You can order, you can buy it and you can have it. The plate disposal area, and there, that door is the kitchen. This is the whole view. I was talking about the jungle thingy. I used to love I do love this Thai classes because while eating, I see the nature out there. When the wind is blowing, the trees are moving. I really love that. So yeah, this is one of my favorite places, you can see. So I forgot to tell you why, with which name I started to call the food court. It's aquarium. I don't know for what reason the word came out of my mouth that time when I first came, but yeah, I called it aquarium. It's aquarium for me. And today I'm going to go in the boys hostel down there because we girls stay in upper side of the hill. There are shortcuts too. So yeah, this road is known as Temple Run. I know you might think of that game that I usually did when I first came. Yay, I heard this name before. It's Temple Run. If you're lucky enough, you can see peacocks here. I saw it twice or thrice, in between these rains and all. And snakes are really common here. हर हमेशा आप snake देख सकते हो. It will go to your campus side and all. In the hostels even if they are locked for so many days, I don't know what will happen to the boys hostel when they come. Obviously there will be cleaning and all, but still. And there are different types of birds here, and it's so pleasant to sit around and hear the rain and all. So this is the one from 15 to 20 block. Boys hostels are down there. So from here basically the boys hostel starts, and there are so tall building as comparatively to girls. There are so many boys studies here, and these hostels are similar to our girls hostel, like the colors, the structures are big, but two or three of them are totally different here. And they had cycles around here, and even we have night canteens. Whenever we want, we can go and have our food. In that side we have one night canteen that is known as Hit and Run. It's really famous here. Like, I haven't tried their food yet, but I had a plan that I will try once. Like, they had grilled chickens, shawarmas and all. जैसे आप जानते हो हम लोगों का दो ही फूड कोर्ट है. This one is the food court 2, and I just had like food in my food court 1 because that's in the upper side of the hill. And though we have lots of messes like Aditya, Anana, Apurva, there's so many messes. See the building, so tall. This is 16th block and this is 17th block. These two blocks are really tall enough. Like, in total they had 22 hostels, half of them for boys and half of for girls. This is the top part of the food court 2. Like, there is a sort of stage type so there is one extended part where seniors stay there, and this is the end of the boys hostel. And there is one mess, Apurva mess. Beside that there is a Pratham stationery shop. This is Apurva mess. The foods are really good, though like comparatively to food court 1 and 2, food court 2 has very good quality of food. But nothing to do, though some girls come to food court 2 to have food. I did for once or twice, like to taste and all for the evening snacks, but not for regular basis. No, that's impossible. So yeah, that's the end. You can see it's raining a lot. So this is the end of part 1. I hope you like the video. This video is totally for you guys, for the new admissions who had planned to come here soon. I hope they're gonna come next year. Due to this pandemic and all, they can't visit. And this video is totally for the seniors who used to stay here. They're missing it obviously, and they can relate themselves that, yeah, I used to be in this campus, it's so beautiful, it's so big. In this side I had the gathering with my friends, I used to give these things and all in these sections and all, and everything. You guys can relate yourselves. In this pandemic I can relate myself here because I'm trying to explore it. So if you like the video, please give a like button and subscribe the channel if you're new here, and don't forget to share with your friends and families. I hope they can know like what's there, what's MIT, like Manipal, Mangalore and all. So yeah, till then, stay safe, love you, bye.